Welcome back. In this video, we're going to get started with databases. So on the Inhouz Cloud platform, we do not provide a content management system. Instead, we let you use your actual databases to develop your web applications, your APIs, and your automations. So I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To get to the database hub, all I need to do is click on the database tab. So as you can see, I already have a few databases configured. To add a database, all you need to do is click on the Add Database button. We do integrate with all the major database providers, so MongoDB, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle SQL, Redis, and the AWS S3. And there are more native integrations to come. So it's a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go through this in the videos in the database series. All you need to do is provide your database credentials to the development, test, and production environments, and consume your databases in functions that would run in APIs, web applications, and automations. So if one thing you need to know is that on this platform, your database credentials are going to be encrypted before they are stored. And also the database is also encrypted at rest. So there is that double encryption, and everyone's encryption credentials are different. So there is no risk of one credential leading to every single credential being exposed. So there is that, redundancy in security. Another thing to note is that we do have a multi-environment setup, and this just means that your database credentials will run in the specified environments. So for example, if you consume your database in a function and it runs in the development environment of an API or a web application or an automation, then the system is going to know that the function is running in a development context, and therefore it's going to use the development environment configuration for your database. So it's a very, very simple setup. You provide your database per the environment and then just consume in a very simple way in your applications. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.